Veterans and service members and survivors deserve our thanks and so much more. One way we like to help veterans is with financing options for home buying. My name is Dianne 𝐷steffey, and I'm a passionate mortgage loan expert. I love to help my veterans understand their housing benefits and help them get into the home they love. If you are a veteran, service member, or survivor, let's talk about your options. A VA home loan is a home loan that is guaranteed by the Veterans Administration. So if you're a veteran or a service member or a survivor, you could qualify for this wonderful type of product, this VA home financing. The good thing about it is in 2020, if you have your full entitlement, then there are no VA home limits, which is great. So you can literally buy a home all the way up to $2 million without even a down payment. Some things to consider in determining whether a VA home loan is right for you is to ask yourself, have you ever used VA home financing to purchase a home? If you haven't, more than likely you have full entitlement. And then with full entitlement, this allows you to buy up to however loan amount you want. There's no loan limit to VA, as long as you qualify by income and assets and all. But that's really what you look for. If you've had a VA loan before, has it been fully restored? If it's been fully restored, then there is a possibility that you could qualify for a VA home loan. Also, if you currently have a VA home loan and you've used some of your entitlement, you need to go back and qualify by looking at the county to determine what their loan limits are to make sure that you do qualify for a no down payment loan, VA home loan. If you've used your VA before or you have an outstanding VA home loan, you would need to do a worksheet, calculation worksheet, based on the county that you live in to determine whether you qualify for a home loan without a down payment. To qualify for a VA home loan, one would look at income, we will look at credit, although there are no minimum credit scores, but most companies will put an overlay, meaning that, for example, a credit company could put in a 580 credit score. We look to see, there's not a DTI, what we call debt to income ratio requirement. It's based on what the automated underwriting system says. If it comes back at a 62% debt to income ratio, but it comes back approved eligible, we'll take that VA home loan. So the best thing to do is to contact somebody like me to determine whether you do qualify for a home loan. Some things to consider on VA home loans is whether you do qualify with VA. And we do that by looking at your certificate of eligibility to determine how much entitlement that you do have. We then take a loan application to see whether you do qualify based on income, assets, and your credit. Now, I will say that credit scores are not a consideration for VA, but most lenders will put on an overlay and use a minimum credit score of 580. If you want to see whether you qualify for a VA home loan, follow the link in my description and book a call with me today.